Are investors making a mistake by trying to predict the target price of a stock? Financial expert Mr. Ramalingam will explain this to you now.
Apple 1 kg, 200 rupees, right? We will look at the apple, it looks good quality, really nice, you want to buy. The next question we will ask him is, at what rate you will give? He has given a very clear price, 200 in the board. But regardless of that, we will ask him at what rate you will give. Because we want to buy low. We want to see the value for money, right? But stock market is the only place where we ask a different question. Suppose the same person after buying the fruit, he goes to a stockbroker's office, Apple share, and the broker says Apple share is available at this rate and this is all the prospects of it. Why don't you buy? And the question, the same investor will ask a question like, okay, what is the target price? We will never ask, will it come down? What is the probability I can buy at a bargain? Can I buy with huge margin of safety? Is it possible? We will never ask that question. We immediately think about what is the target price. This is where the confusion comes into picture. Common sense investing is not common when it is investing, right? When it comes to shares, we look at it. What is going to be the target price? Target price is something highly uncertain. No one is sure. The same stockbroker tomorrow may come and tell you like why it has fallen down. Today he is giving you a analysis why it can go up. Tomorrow he can come out with a similar analysis saying why it can come down because the target price is something uncertain, but we make decision based on that. Whereas here, when you go to a fruit vendor, you ask him what is the cost, actual cost you want to bargain. So how can we address this uncommonness in investment? So that should be our focus.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.